Okay. Disaster. I'm still gonna add this lemon, don't care. I do not know if anything at all will grow on it. But yeah. Last week, I messed up. And this week, they are growing. I don't know what I did, what went wrong, but they're loving it. These extremophiles absolutely love lemon and whatever. Like, okay, let's go and take a look at them. Boop. So, I'm gonna go and take the top layer, where that white bit is. Fingers crossed. Let's try. Can't smell anything. I suppose that's a good thing. Okay, top layer. The cover back on just in case. Right, the test glass. Oh, shit. Every time I fuck something up, I don't want to touch it. Okay. Right, oil. We need oil. Right, okay. Oil there. Right, then let's go and put it here. Right, first green thing. Oh no, look, it's got these things around. Okay, alright, let's go and shift around. The hell? What is that? Oh, nice. Look. Those things are completely alive. Okay, right, let's go move up a bit. Look at that! They're absolutely murdering my freaking cup. Why are you so active? No, there's a tiny little one in the corner. Not that I can focus or anything, but you know, you get the idea. All right, let's see. 9 out of 10. Most of them are alive. Look, this one there, definitely moving. Oh, look, it's got like a shape, not like a square block anymore. Interesting. What is this like long thing? Okay, plan B. Okay, we need to go and plan B is right. What the hell? What are those things? Okay, yeah, okay. That's fine. It's perfectly fine to have some freaks living in my water. That's fine. What is this long stringy thing? What is this supposed to be? And how is it so in the bottom when I put it in the center? Take a look at 10. Right. What is it? Huh. No joke. I haven't got a clue. Plan C. Let's go back to my oil. Nice. Okay, we found it. Whatever that is. Yeah, right. More. I want to see more. Ah, what the heck? Please tell me you're alive. But it doesn't quite move. Aha, that little thing right next to the circular stuff is interesting, because that moves. Those tiny things are impossible to focus on. Alright then. That's a good picture then. Ah, there's another really circular thing there. Ah, we got to the end. Safe to say that they have survived, they're loving it and whatever, but I don't see anything living here. Plan number 2. Let's go and get another sample from the center of this mess. Okay, sample number 2. Right, I'm gonna get a sample from right in there. Let's see if I succeed. Oh shit, that really went wrong. Okay, let's do this again. Right, you go there, stay there. I'm gonna go and try this again. This time I'll try not to drop anything. Oh shit. Oh shoot, look at that. And let's put the cover glass on it. Oh. I am terrified in touching that, okay? Okay, and then a drop of oil right there. And now, let's go and put this over here. Oh, what? Okay. Okay. Well. So, that's that. Oh, yo! Look how clear they are. Oh, wow. You know, last time I found those circular things on Mars. Now, they're on Venus too. But they're different. They're very circular with that wobbly thing next to them. It's like slices of cucumber. And that thing there loves them. Alright, what are you there? Nothing, okay. Let's go and push around. No, I actually want to go to the... there's another one living there. It's a tiny one. But active, like happily active. Nice, good. Yay, look, another circular thing. That's a bigger one of those little ones, I think, or whatever that is now. Definitely loves that area. Okay. There are a couple of things here. Ones that are not alive and the ones that are. Like this thing there. Why are you spinning that way? Ah, hello. I remember you from last time. Hello, what is you? Yeah, they're still there. Those weird ones with the bubbles. Hey, more of these things, and hello. Right, they are loving it. I really like those bubbles. Look at this little thing. Yeah, I can never focus on those, but they're like the bigger ones, but like small. Yeah, I am. And there's a cluster of those. There's all sorts living now. And I don't know how they have managed to survive like this. Ideally, I would like to take a look at the mould as well. That mould has gone like moldy. Everywhere you look, something lives. Look. Alright then. Ah, hello, there's another one wriggling about with his day. Whee! And there's another one. Whatever. What the hell? Hello, what the heck? What the heck? Every level has something. It's like playing the Spore. Oh my gosh, look. There's another little one next. What are you now? Yeah, there's another one there. Then there's two of them. How do I fix it? Okay, we have this one. This one. Oh, look, there's another one there. Ah, you found a plant to eat, didn't you? Okay, what are you? What are you? There's another one looking for food. Yay! We caught up with him. Yeah. Yeah, those ones are definitely like deeper in the water. Okay, I am actually intrigued. I want to see what's inside of the other thing. I don't know how I'm gonna get it, but I'm gonna get it. So this, there. I'm trying to get this thing off. I'm gonna try to get this off. Gosh, this is like disgusting. Yeah, let's go and put that there. A little bit of oil. Right, let's see how disgusting this is or isn't. Holy crap. Holy crap. Haha. Well, look at that. Oh my gosh. This is like dangerous. Okay, well, let's see now. Yeah. They have like trapped them or something, or maybe they've got into them. Look, there's 3 in the bottom corner. Okay, plan B. Let's go with this. Okay, so that's the universe then. Yeah. Fancy. Alright. This is the whole of the mold back to the oil. Nice. Okay. That's like so spectacular actually. So this is like sort of the long bacterium, I guess, and or slime, whatever. Those little holes inside of this slimy thing is like a feeding ground. Look how they comfortably sit there and wobble about. Oh my gosh, there's like a whole family there. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a big one. Alright, plan 3 through 3. 3. Venus has acid and it's hot, isn't it? So leave Venus where we are inside, but we need to add CO2. Right, let's do that. To make sure everything goes well, 2 hands free, let's do this. I'm gonna pour this mess into here. And I want all of this. Okay. There. Live free! Pips of a lemon. Oops. Okay, now everything is back. Okay. Thing number 2 to do is let's add some carbonated water. How am I going to do that? Tablespoon, and then quickly close this up. Okay, and this will now go to a warm place somewhere and see what they do with the CO2. And leave acidity as it is. I don't know how acidic it is, but they love it, right? They love it, right? So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye bye.